Welcome to our Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the world of German coins, focusing on the 10 Pfennig coin from 1950. This coin is part of the post-World War II currency issued by the Federal Republic of Germany, also known as West Germany. After the country was divided, the 10 Pfennig coin was made primarily of aluminum bronze, giving it a distinct golden color and a lightweight feel, measuring approximately 21 millimeters in diameter and weighing just over 3 grams. It is small but significant in Germany's monetary history. The obverse of the coin features the federal eagle, which is the symbol of the German government. This eagle design was chosen to represent strength, unity, and the rebuilding of the nation after the devastation of the war. Around the edge of the coin you will see the inscription Bundesrepublik Deutschland, which translates to Federal Republic of Germany. This clearly indicates that the coin was minted after the establishment of West Germany in 1949. On the reverse side of the coin you will find the denomination 10 Pfennig prominently displayed, along with a simple oak twig symbolizing growth and stability. The coin was minted in several locations, with the mint mark appearing as a small letter at the bottom of the coin representing Berlin, Dusseldorf, Stuttgart, Munich, or Hamburg. Collectors often pay attention to these mint marks, as some are rarer than others, making them more valuable. When it comes to value, the 1950 10 Pfennig coin is generally common. For circulated examples in average condition it may only fetch a few dollars. However, for coins that are in uncirculated or mint state the value can increase significantly, with sharp details, bright luster, and no signs of wear. Coins with rare mint marks or errors such as doubled strikes or off-center designs can attract serious attention from collectors and sometimes sell for much higher amounts. Condition is key when assessing any coin. A coin with scratches, dents, or discoloration will be worth less, while a coin with a strong strike and even color will command more attention if you are just starting out in coin collecting. The 1950 10 Pfennig is a great example to study. Its size, weight, metal composition, and design give insight into the post-war period of Germany and how the country sought to establish a new identity through currency. Additionally, understanding the historical context can make collecting more interesting. After World War II, Germany needed a stable currency to replace the Reichsmark. The 10 Pfennig coin was part of the Deutsche Mark system introduced in 1948, and it helped restore confidence in everyday transactions. This coin circulated widely throughout West Germany for many years and represents a time of recovery and economic rebuilding. For collectors, it is always recommended to store coins properly in holders or albums to prevent damage from moisture or air exposure. Handling coins by the edges rather than the face can preserve details and maintain their value over time. There are also many reference books and online databases that provide detailed information on mint marks, varieties, and historical background for German coins, which can be helpful if you plan to expand your collection. In conclusion, the 1950 German 10 Pfennig coin may seem small and modest, but it carries a rich history and can be an interesting collectible for both beginners and experienced numismatists. Its aluminum bronze composition, the federal eagle design, and the oak twig reverse reflect Germany's efforts to rebuild and unify after a tumultuous period. Whether you are interested in historical context or the potential investment value, understanding the details of this coin is essential. Remember to always check the coin condition, mint mark, and any unique features when assessing its value. We are widely in the everyday life of West Germans during the 1950s and 1960s. It played a role in the economic miracle or Wirtschaftswunder when West Germany experienced rapid reconstruction, industrial growth, and rising living standards. People used these coins in markets, shops, and transportation, and they became a symbol of a country recovering from devastation. The coin also reflects the broader context of European recovery after the war and the efforts to stabilize economies across the continent. For numismatists, the 1950 10 Pfennig coin offers a glimpse into post-war German society. The choices in coin design and metal composition and the practical aspects of rebuilding a currency system. Coins from this era tell stories beyond monetary value. They reveal the political and social priorities of a nation determined to move forward and create stability for its citizens. Collectors today value the coin not only for its historical significance but also for its condition, rarity, and mint mark variations. Well-preserved coins provide insight into the care and circulation practices of the period and can sometimes command a higher value among enthusiasts. Collecting these coins allows historians and hobbyists alike to connect with a tangible piece of German history and understand the resilience and recovery of a nation in the aftermath of conflict. In summary, the 1950 German 10 Pfennig coin is much more than a small piece of metal. It represents a pivotal time in German history. The Introduction of the Deutsche Mark. The rebuilding of the economy and the emergence of a democratic state. The design elements such as the federal eagle and oak twig carry meaning that reflects the hopes and priorities of post-war Germany. Studying this coin provides both historical insight and an appreciation for the role of currency in shaping national identity.